So you had a rough day, or maybe life has been tough. You sit in front of your sewing machine, you want to create, you're ready to release that stress. But the tension and the anxiety, they just won't leave your body. Sounds familiar? Sewing is a fantastic tool to release stress and anxiety. But when we are already overwhelmed, it can feel impossible to relax, right? So before you start stitching, before you start sewing any project, that is going to help you reset your nervous system for truly calming and productive sewing session. So come with me. Place both your hands on your chest and apply a gentle but firm pressure. Close your eyes, and then you're going to slowly move your hands in circular motions. And while you do that, you're going to breathe. Inhale deeply and exhale. While you're moving your hands, repeat soothing phrases in your mind. I'm grounded. I'm okay. I am going to have a fantastic sewing session. This problem that I'm facing right now is to protect and promote me. I know excellent things are going to come from this. Breathe. You can also think about the project they're going to be working on. Take a deep breath. You can continue this for 5 minutes or even more. You keep going until you feel a noticeable shift in your body, like a sense of calm and ease and focus. And the bonus tip here, this technique isn't just for sewing. You can use it any time of the day, especially when stress creeps in. Now you might be asking me, why does this work? So this practice activates your parasympathetic nervous system, which is also known as the rest and digest system. So the parasympathetic nervous system helps slow your heart rate, reduce stress hormones, create a sense of safety and relaxation in your body, and make your sewing and quilting experience more enjoyable and mindful. Sewing should be a place of peace, not pressure. Try this simple nervous system reset before every sewing session and start feeling the difference. So now click the subscribe button if you want to know more about how we can use sewing and quilting to help us soothe and calm ourselves down, and also understand how our bodies respond to certain things. And I want to know from you, have you ever tried different techniques before sewing? What does sewing tell you about your emotions? When you're tired and stressed and you're going through some things and you're sewing and working on your projects, how do you react when the machine gets jammed, or the thread breaks, or the needle breaks, or the machine is skipping stitches? I want to know, how do you respond to those things? Let me tell you, it tells a lot about what's going on inside of us. Next time you feel that way, talk to yourself. There's a lot of answers that moment with your sewing machine can bring you. I hope this video calms you down, and come back to this video anytime you need a nervous system reset, and I cannot wait to see you again.